Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all of you. This lecture is about Précis writing. First of all, we will consider the etymology or the origin of the word. So, as far as etymology or origin of the word is concerned, so précis is derived from the French word précis, meaning limited or restricted. Précis is a device expressing the main idea of a composition in the shortest and most logical manner. The briefest possible development of the central thought of the composition is known as précis. It should be lucid and complete in all respects. Now, why précis writing? What's the need of it? So, summarizing is an excellent training in concentration. It is a reading with mind as well as with eye. Brevity is the soul of wit, if we quote from William Shakespeare. Our brevity is the very essence of human intelligence. In the same way, H.G. Wells, a notable literary figure, he has put the things in a humorous manner, and he says that brief speeches, short dinners, short interviews, and even brief marriage contracts. So, what are the essential of a good précis? Précis of a piece is entirely different from its substance. The main passage and its précis or summary, they are different as far as the words are concerned, but the main theme or the main idea should remain the same. It should be clear, precise, and brief. A précis should be about a third of the number of words in the original passage. And for précis writing, when we are making a précis of a passage, we must use indirect speech or indirect words, or the words should be our own. The quotations from the original passage should be avoided. The leading thoughts and expression of the passage, of course, should remain in the précis, or they should be reflected in the précis when we are making a summary of the passage. A précis or a summary, it should be a continuous piece of writing or a continuous paragraph. We should not take sentences from the original passage. So, no sentence from the original passage should be directly quoted or directly written or directly accommodated in the précis when we are making a summary of the given passage. The most important question is how to make a précis. So, reading the passage at least 3 times can give us a clear picture of the situation. No personal comments and other irrelevant points should be accommodated in the précis writing. When we have a command over a language, then we quite be very good or excellent in summarizing that passage or précis writing. So, during a précis writing, we should avoid bad language, that is spelling mistakes, grammar and punctuations, or the rest of the linguistic tools should be considered very seriously when we are making a précis. Heading for a précis, the key sentence. So the students or the learners, they are always asking for the heading of a passage or a summary or a précis. So this heading is in fact, the writers usually they cover it at the beginning or at the end of the passage. We can also provide the heading or the title of the passage after a character or a proverb. It depends on the situation and the nature of the passage. These were a few instructions or guidelines or tips about précis writing. Now we will consider a passage in original, and then we will try to make a précis of the given passage. Let us make an attempt to summarize a passage. There are some things which, though in many ways regrettable, it is necessary to accept as conditions of survival in the modern world. The most important of these is the growth of industrialism. The power of England in the early 19th century was based upon a virtual monopoly of machine production, and the power of Russia and the United States in the present day is due to their supremacy in this respect. It is useless to talk against mechanization because it is the source of power and because those who lag behind have difficulty in preserving independence. When industrialism was new in England, it aroused indignant protest on account of its ruthlessness and destruction of beauty. These protests were eloquently expressed in Carlyle's Past and Present, but they remained completely ineffective. They are also ineffective in the present day. Gandhi, in spite of his immense influence over his compatriots, was totally unable to restore the spinning wheel. Machine production and scientific technique generally is bound to prevail wherever there is sufficient civilization to make it possible. This is the passage. Now our job is to make a précis of this passage. The chief assertion of this extract is that industrialization is a condition of survival in the modern world. Our précis must make this point. Two very strong arguments for industrializations are given, and they are: industrialization is a source of power, and countries which lag behind in mechanizing their societies will find it difficult to keep their independence. The original passage contains 176 words. So, this passage can be reduced to about a third of its length, as we said it in the instruction section of this lecture. And this passage should be, it means, reduced to 55 and 65 words. So the range of the words of the passage should be between 55 and 65. Now let's take the first attempt or the first draft of the passage. And this is the first draft for the précis. Industrialization, though in some ways regrettable, is condition of survival in the modern world. The former power of England and the present day power of Russia and America are explained by their industrial supremacy. Mechanization is the source of power, and industrially backward countries cannot easily stay independent. Protests against industrialization, like those of Carlyle and Gandhi, have proved altogether ineffective. On counting the words, the first draft goes to 73 words, 8 over the permitted maximum. Now we would like to get rid of these additional words or these surplus words from the given passage. The given changes can save words without loss of any important idea. How? Just like one of the conditions of survival. This can be replaced with a condition of survival, and in this way we can save words. The power of England in the early 19th century and the present day power of Russia and the US. From these sentences we can take out certain words to make it short according to our own requirement. So we can say the former power of England and the present power of Russia and the US. In this way we can get rid of certain additional or surplus words. Then again we can say that their supremacy in machine production. So if we consider, we can get rid of certain words over here as well. Their industrial supremacy. So 3 words instead of 5 words. Have difficulty in preserving independence. This observation or this sentence or the words in the sentence can be replaced with cannot easily stay independent, such as those. It can be substituted or it can be replaced with like those. So in this way we are now in a position to make a précis of the given passage in a proper manner. The précis of the given passage. Industrialization, though in some ways regrettable, is a condition of survival in the modern world. The former power of England and the present day power of Russia and America are explained by their industrial supremacy. Mechanization is the source of power, and industry backward countries cannot easily stay independent. Protests against industrialization, like those of Carlyle and Gandhi, have proved altogether ineffective. Now consider the précis of the given passage. It contains about 61 words, which is quite logical and acceptable. As an example and practice for you, dear learners, let's take another passage and its précis, and in this way you will be able to get the original passage and how we can get rid of the surplus words or how we can get the main idea in limited words. But you should keep that in mind that it depends on the practice of a person who attempts it. So it doesn't mean that the précis of the given passage of every learner or student should be the same. You can adopt a different approach when you are making a précis. It depends on the command or language and your practice and exercise. Let's take the passage. Make a précis of the following passage. This is an assignment for you and how we can deal with it. The name of Florence Nightingale lives in the memory of the world by virtue of the heroic adventure of the Crimea. Had she died as nearly dead upon her return to England, her reputation would hardly have been different. Her legend would have come down to us almost as we know it today. That gentle vision of female virtue which first took shape before the adoring eyes of 6 soldiers at Scutari, yet as a matter of fact she lived for more than half a century after the Crimean War, and during the greater part of that long period all the energy and all devotion of her extraordinary nature were working at their highest pitch. What she accomplished in those years of unknown labor, then the myth. In Miss Nightingale's own eyes, the adventure of the Crimea was a mere incident, hardly more than a useful stepping stone in her career. This is the passage, and the total number of words here are 151 words. How we can make a précis of the given passage? Florence Nightingale in the service of mankind. This can be the possible title of the précis. Florence Nightingale's heroic humanitarian adventure during the Crimean War was sufficient to make her immortal in human history. Nightingale, the embodiment of shining female virtue, lived and worked for the suffering humanity for more than 50 years after the war. Now this is up to you that how you can make a précis. I have just given an example, but it doesn't mean that this is the final. You should attempt the given passage in your own words in a different manner. However, you should keep that in mind, which is very, very essential, that the main idea and the subject matter should remain the same. Let's take another passage as an example, and the activity for you is make a précis of the following passage. That science has become one of the most powerful factors in the modern life is generally accepted and indeed obvious fact. The proper role of the scientist himself is, however, a point on which there is no general agreement. On the one hand are those diehards who, ignoring the changed circumstances of the world, contend that outside the lab, the personal influence of the scientist should be no more than that of other citizens. On the other hand are extremists who advocate a state verging on a technocracy in which scientists would have special privileges and a larger measure of control. Those who tend towards that latter view are much more vociferous than their more conservative and much more numerous colleagues, with the unfortunate result that there is a widespread impression that scientists generally share their views and wish to join a far larger share in the control of world affairs than they possess at present. It is therefore timely to attempt an assessment of the proper status of the scientist in modern society. The passage consists of 170 words, and how we can reduce it to 1/3, let's attempt, and this is just an example of it. The proper status of the scientist in modern society. This can be, or this may be, the title of the précis. And if you consider the last sentence of the passage, it is in fact taken from there. The importance of science in modern life is universally acknowledged, but the position of scientist is controversial. Some would give the scientists no special rights, while other more vocal, though less numerous, demand all power for them. This gives the false impression that scientist agrees with the latter view. The question of scientist positions should be finally settled. Now, this is a précis of 58 words, but again, I would say that this is not the final one. It depends on your own viewpoint, your own attempt, and it varies from individual to individual. Now, conclusion. What we can conclude from this brief lecture. So, the conclusion is that précis is a device expressing the main idea of a composition in the shortest and most logical manner. Précis is the briefest possible development of the central thought of the composition or the passage. It should be lucid and complete. A good précis should be a continuous piece of prose, and sentences from the given passage should not be implied. A précis should be clear, precise, and brief. This was a discussion about précis writing and various tips or instructions for précis writing. You should continue your practice. Practice makes a man perfect. And then how you can become a good précis writer, so it depends on your practice. For that, a tip: if you consider the editorial of a newspaper, a standard one, read it again and again, and then make a précis of it, and of course then you can take guidance from your teachers as well. Thank you very much for your kind attention.